Scientists discover microbe that defies biology's golden rule. Researchers at the University of California, Berkeley have uncovered a remarkable organism that challenges one of the most fundamental principles of biology, the strict interpretation of the genetic code. This discovery could reshape our understanding of how life processes information at the molecular level. Breaking the genetic code. The golden rule of biology. For over 60 years, scientists believed that each codon, a sequence of 3 nucleotides in DNA or RNA, corresponds to one specific amino acid or a stop signal. This rule was considered universal and unbreakable. The exception, the newly studied archaean, a type of single-celled organism, reads the same codon in 2 different ways. In some cases, it interprets the codon as a stop signal, while in others, it uses it to insert an amino acid into a protein. Why it matters. This dual interpretation overturns decades of dogma, showing that genetic translation is more flexible than previously thought. Implications for science. Protein engineering. The ability of this organism to reinterpret codons could inspire new methods to control protein synthesis, opening doors for biotechnology and medicine. Evolutionary insights. The discovery suggests that life may have evolved with more genetic flexibility than scientists assumed, potentially explaining how organisms adapt to extreme environments. Medical applications. Understanding this mechanism could lead to breakthroughs in designing synthetic organisms or developing treatments that manipulate protein production. Historical context. The genetic code was deciphered in the 1960s and has since been regarded as universal across all known life forms. This finding is one of the rare exceptions to that rule, comparable to discovering a new law of physics that applies only under special conditions. Conclusion. This discovery highlights the remarkable adaptability of life and challenges long-standing assumptions about molecular biology. By showing that even the most fundamental rules can bend, scientists are reminded that nature often holds surprises beyond our imagination. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.